Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to do a bullion stitch border, which is a nice edging for a blanket, scarf, or other item. For making this along a single edge, it's a stitch multiple of 3 plus 1. What that means is you'll need any multiple of 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then have one more stitch available on the end. To begin, connect your border yarn with a slip knot on your hook, and then insert it into the first stitch. Next, chain 4. What I'm about to show you, we're going to do 8 times. First, place your hook underneath the chain. Yarn over and pull towards the front. Yarn over and remove one loop. Go underneath, yarn over, pull towards the front. Yarn over, and then remove one loop. Now we'll do it a third time. And now I'll do stitch number 4. There's stitch number 5, 6, 7, and here is the 8th and final stitch. Once completed, you should have 9 loops on your hook. Now, yarn over and carefully pull through all of the loops on your hook. Skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch, make a slip stitch to hold everything in place. And here's the first bullion shell. On to the second one. Chain 4, 3, and 4. Same thing again, 8 times. Yarn over, and there's stitch number 1. Go under the chain, and that's stitch number 2. Third stitch, fourth stitch. It's a little tricky with all of these loops at first. Sometimes it helps to hold the loops with your thumb while on the hook. Stitch number 6, 7, and finally our 8th stitch. You'll have 9 loops on your hook again. Yarn over and pull through. Skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch, make a slip stitch. That's my second bullion shell stitch. I'm finishing up my third one here. And same thing, skip 2 stitches, and then slip stitch in the next one. Continue this across the row. And that's how I make a bullion stitch border.